Good morning, this is Robin Bieber on the Products Spread Talk on the 21st of April at 8:15 in the morning London time. And the first chart we're looking at is heat May-June. Holding okay at the moment. It's struggling to stay above its 5-day moving average at minus 288, and if it fails here and at minus 298, this little support zone here, the odds are a dip down to about the 13-day at 8-day, the blue line at minus 335. A move and close below here with the eye up the recent low at minus 445 as a target. There's no real serious upside unless we took out the 21-day at minus 258. I'm not convinced it's got the legs to do that. Stochastic though would support some reasonable strength. So use this 5-day and this range point here between 288 and 298 as a key support. Watch it carefully. Below there, which seems possible, and it's going to start to struggle. The June deck, lower, target to 2439. Rallies to the 5 and 8s, which it's done for the last 3 days, have resulted in failures, looking for lower numbers. Were it to fail at 2439, I would expect to move down to maybe 2800, something like that. It's not looking good. The stochastic is now negative. Use 2439 as a key support, and rallies to the 5 and 8s will be deemed as sell zones. The 5 and 8s coming in between 2198 and 2140, and those are where I think the selling would occur, as it has done in the last 2 to 3 days. The deck red deck under pressure, looks poor, target to minus 1750. It's failed on every rally to the 5-day, the red line, on every rally to the 5-day in the last 5 days. The 5-day comes in today at around minus 1552, and that area will be deemed by many as a selling opportunity. Moving on to RBOB. May-June RBOB, okay, undecided. Stochastic has gone negative, just. Were it to move below the 8-day at minus 559, I would expect it then to head lower to minus 587, and at the 13-day, below 587, and it's got a target to minus 709. No upside unless it's above the 5-day at minus 532. This contract, the May-June spread, is beginning to look vulnerable to lower numbers. The June deck is struggling. It's below the 21-day at minus 933. It looks like it could easily head to the recent low here at minus 1525. It's struggling. It's going to have some stopping points like there, minus 1131 first. So the immediate target is to minus 1131. Below there to minus 1525. These are valid whilst it stays below the 21-day at minus 933. There's no real serious upside unless it moved over the short-term moving average, which at the moment looks unlikely, particularly with the way this stochastic is going. The deck red deck, conversely, is stronger than goat's breath. It's over the minus 945 support. It's over the short-term moving averages. It looks like it should head back higher to minus 750. But be careful, this is a little precarious with this stochastic. So any dip back below minus 945 would negate any upside. Now moving on to gas oil, looks poor. The May-June, struggling, failing at the short-term moving averages. The 5-day comes in at minus 1750 area, 1725. Target to minus 1975, and were it to close below there, the target would become minus 24. The stochastic hasn't quite popped negative or moved negative yet, but it's threatening to do so. The June deck has hit its target to minus 66 and a quarter. Were it to fail there, there's a very real chance of minus 80. The stochastic has flipped negative, so gas oil structure under pressure. The deck red deck failed to hold minus 4250, is on its way now to minus 4675. If it was to close below there, the next target would be minus 50. In general terms, structure looks very poor except on 1 or 2 bits of RBOB, but I'm looking for lower numbers and for rallies generally to the 5 and 8-day moving averages to be seen by most market participants as a selling opportunity. That's all for today, folks. Good luck, good trading, and bon appetit.